Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see what's going on with you, Libra, now, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect for you. And happy birthday! This is your birthday month, right? And I hope this reading is good for you. And I hope some good message comes out for you today. And these are general collective readings. Libra will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's start your reading. I'll be setting down two sets of cards here, Libra, for you. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And a warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Welcome, thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So as I was saying, newbies, these two sets of cards are here. For me, this is person A, this is person B. And if this is your reading, of course, you'll know which side you're on, right? Okay. Action for person A, action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Hanged Man. So there's a lot of stuck energy here. Maybe one person is stuck on the other, I don't know. But there's some epiphanies happening here, trying to figure out what's going on with this connection. Well, Spirit, so are we. Let's see what you have here to tell us. Okay. From what I see here, okay. Libra, from what I'm seeing of my first look at these cards, there's a new beginning which is not happening, at least from one person's perspective. They feel this would be really foolish to reconcile with the other person. I don't want to do this again. I don't want to make any foolish mistakes here. It's not a good idea to reconcile with maybe a past person, I don't know. But the other person is seeing their person as their be-all and end-all, as their Nine of Cups, their wish fulfillment, the loving, kind, wonderful person that they want back in their life. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to start, Libra, with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Libra and their person, Spirit. Libra and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more, Libra, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. This could also be, Libra. Okay, let me not. Let's start with the dialogue message cards. There are lots of thoughts which are racing in my brain as I'm looking at the cards. I did not expect you to enter my life when you did. I wasn't ready. Second card says, soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. See, I said that. Somebody is now seeing their person as their happiness, their wish fulfillment, and they do want to come and apologize or something. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. Why do you stay away when they treat you so badly? And the last one here says, Libra, I miss you so much that it feels like there's a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. All right. So Libra, these were some of your dialogue message cards. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. But of course, as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Just give me a second though. Sorry, Libra, I had a phone call I had to attend. But let's start with an angel blessing card first. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll do the clarification. So, my angels, what do you have for Libra? Blessing, guidance, advice, faith. Well, somebody I think still has the faith that they can get this connection going, but the other one seems to have kind of lost hope. So let's see what's going to happen. Going to start with the energies of person A, Libra. Let's see what's happening here, and then we'll go on to the other side. So person A, you have the Fool card in reverse. Why is that? Why do you feel this way? They feel they made a very, very foolish mistake here. They were trying to be a trickster. But now they are unable to manifest anything with person B. Now they feel whatever games I was playing, I tricked myself. I made such an unwise and a foolish mistake here, because now this connection seems to have stalled completely. Three of Cups in reverse. What's the Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit, for Libra or person A? One more. One more. Libra, your card is here twice on person A's side, the Justice card. Well, now I think person A does want to end the fight here. They do want to end the fight. They do want to move to a calmer, happier place with their person. They now envision what they didn't earlier. In their foolishness, I think they disregarded the potential of a Ten of Cups with person B, and now they are a little scared that their person has cut them off. Will not agree to maybe reconcile whatever foolish choices or mistakes were made. But on person A's mind heavily is the Justice card. They want to bring things back into balance. So what happened, person A, for you to be feeling this way? What was your foolish mistake? And why do you feel you have to bring balance and justice? What happened? Eight of Wands. There was some communication which happened, very rapid, fast forward movement which happened, where somebody did not, maybe even though they had a lot of love in their heart, they may have been a bit emotionally manipulative, or they could have hidden that they loved their person. They didn't actually fight for this connection. They kept it all hidden. It could have seemed like they were not interested, or it just ended the situation in a very bad way. And now they're disappointed. They feel, why didn't I invest earlier? Even though I think heart of hearts, this person knew exactly what they wanted. They were not confused. They were not confused from any angle. They knew that person B was the only cup that they wanted. And as much as they wanted to communicate, since that time when maybe this fight happened or something, they've been hoping to communicate. This person doesn't know now what to do, what to say, how to communicate, what work to put in. They're sitting there with all that love, but keeping it hidden. How do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I really do want to offer this cup of love because I want to now bring justice, but I don't know how to put in the work. I want to bring this apology. I want to offer this brand new beginning. I want to start this love story again. But how do I do it? Omkara Tarot, please help me. I don't know. I don't even know where to begin to bring this connection back into feeling balance, that there's justice, and do the right thing now. How do I begin? Justice? Yes, they feel they've already lost their power. As much as they want to, I think, reconcile now, they're still being a little stubborn for some strange reason, because they feel that the choice to end this was theirs. And now they're sitting here under this tree looking very sad and lonely and upset, and now no other option is working for them. They're feeling now left behind. by person B may be out in the cold. So in their stubbornness, maybe this person is still wanting communication though, but they are not healed yet. They are still all over the place, feeling very imbalanced in their own life, or maybe now they're recognizing that them not bringing things into harmony or happiness has removed their chance of having this brand new beginning. It's making them very, very unhappy. Very, very unhappy that I can't have this now. So what action they'll take, I will open later, Libra. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. Person B, you're sitting nicely in the Queen of Cups. What's that for you? I think person B is heading off for new beginnings. I think they've learned self-love. They're totally into self-care, self-love, maybe starting something brand new. New beginnings are in order for person B, and they're feeling, hey, this new path that I've chosen of self-care, self-love, yes, this person is walking away. Person A, person B is walking away from all this non-emotional garbage that happened in the past. They were very unfulfilled, but the further they are walking into new beginnings, see, they were walking straight towards new beginnings in self-care, self-love, giving themselves that cup of love that they were probably offering to person A. They are manifesting all their wishes. All their dreams seem to be coming true. What's this Nine of Cups, Spirit? For person B? Yes, this person is securing themselves. Very quiet, they're keeping their secrets to themselves. They're not sharing anything about what they're doing, how they're doing it. They may be securing their pentacles, or they're just holding back from opening up, being very quiet, being very silent. And in this time, they're also dropping anything that is seeming too burdening to them or too heavy to them. At least that's how they're seeing this connection, from what I feel, that I'm going to drop all this past baggage now and I'm heading off to new beginnings, and I'm feeling good about it. Person B is actually very, very intuitive, Queen of Cups and the High Priestess. This person has a connection. They are being guided towards this new beginning, and they are seeing the manifestations of their new beginnings because good things are happening in their life now. So what happened to you, person B, in the recent past that you've kind of transformed your life, it seems? Person B says, my person never ever gave me equal give and take. They breadcrumbed me, they treated me like an option. Yes, so I decided that if they're going to break my heart all the time, if they're going to be, inconsistent, I feel that they were singing songs to me and going to the next and singing the same songs there and taking the same old wine there that they were bringing to me. Well, I've passed judgment on them. I don't want to give them a second chance. And once person B, I think, decided what was good for them, the clarity that they had in their own life, I think, was to move forward. What's this Ace of Swords, Spirit, for person B? What's this clarity that they got? To drop being juggled. They didn't want to wait around, will my person ever do this or that or whatever, and keeping themselves stuck. I think person B just dropped the ball. I mean, so many cards of dropping. Dropped all the 10 wands, no more taking the baggage, no more taking this in and out kind of behavior. I think person B was very clear in their mind that I am walking away, and the further they went, the happier they became. So person B, how do you now feel about this connection? Person B feels that their person never decides. They are very imbalanced. They are always choosing between options. They always want a backup. They always made them always feel like somebody who was, an option. Always divided into never making a solid plan to say, hey, this direction, let's go this direction. Always standing at crossroads. Always waiting for God knows what. So person B says, well, if they're always going to be double-minded, Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, right? So best thing for me is to get unstuck. I can pull myself out of this equation and go with the flow of energy. I'm flowing. And since I'm doing that, things are changing in my life. My wheel of fortune is in, moving in a very positive direction. It's time to turn my back on this past bullshit. So 3 of Wands in reverse, person B. Yes, I think the more they're doing that, the more, yes, they don't want to make any unwise, foolish mistakes. This person is going off for a brand new beginning for themselves. This seems more like self-love or new love and gaining victory. This is like all 3 cards saying this person is on this fresh, brand new journey for themselves. Attracting in maybe brand new love, getting victory in their life. And why? Because they dropped all that old baggage, remember? Now this person is light as a feather. They can jump off, leap off into the future. Okay, so what actions you guys will take? Let's see that. I'm going to take a separate deck for that one, Libra. And of course, this is my time to request you guys to please hit that like button, just to let me know how many I'm resonating with, or even if it's entertaining you. It just helps the videos to circulate to a larger audience. Also makes me feel very happy. Thank you so much. And newbies, if you are subscribing, please hit that notification bell so that YouTube can tell you when the next video will be, uploaded. So, person A, action. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Why is that an action? They want to turn back the clock, it seems. They want to go back to the way things were, feeling very stuck and heartbroken. Person B is going through solid heartbreak. Look at this. This is pain, screaming out in pain, because now they want to do this. They want to now go and do the right thing, but they're feeling stuck. They feel all their luck is gone now. So, what action will you take, King of Pentacles? Will you take any action? Or are you going to sit there in heartbreak? Well, they do want to fight for this connection one more time. They're a little afraid of either the competition, or they're afraid that it can lead to another fight. That's their... So, what does that mean, person A? Are you going to take any action, or are you going to just worry about the competition or the fight? They are kind of in hermit mode. I think that they are also getting their spiritual enlightenment at the moment. Maybe connecting with their spirit guides or praying, hoping that this chapter hasn't completely shut down, hoping for another go around, hoping that they'll be given another chance. I don't see this person really taking action, to be honest, Libra. As much as they want it, they are very afraid that maybe there's competition or something. But this person is now wanting to do the right thing, but they don't know how. They really don't know how. So this person could be heavily praying at the moment. That's all I can feel. They do want to come in and do the right thing. The Justice card is here twice for them. So they're living on faith, it seems. Person B, will you take any action towards person A or otherwise in your life? 4 of Pentacles. Why is the 4 of Pentacles an action from your end, person B? It feels like they're holding back. They're also being a bit stubborn now. They don't want to put their heart out there. Okay. One more. High Priestess and the Hanged Man. Now, person B is holding back as well. They're holding back. They're trying to also listen to their intuition. This is a very matched pair, if I may say so. Libra, I have the outcome here as the Hermit here and the High Priestess here. So both of you are somewhere getting a huge spiritual awakening. But person B is also holding back. Either they could be now checking out other options, like person A was feeling, right? That maybe this competition or whatever, they could be right, because person B, I don't think they've moved on. I really don't feel they've moved on, because they're still showing up as the hanged man, right? So person B hasn't really moved on to anybody new, but they could be trying to use their intuition to figure out who or what to invest in next. Staying very, very solid in their own, or say, like taking care of themselves. Give me one more card, Spirit, for person B as to the action they'll be taking. Action for person B. Okay, so person B is, sorry, person A, they don't really feel, they feel that person A is very selfish and self-centered and very egoistic. I have a feeling person B is not going to be wanting to fight for this old connection anymore. When they think about, in their quiet times as the hanged man and thinking about their life, using their intuition, what is coming to them more is it's time for a passionate new beginning. They want new in their life. New, turning their back on the old, wanting victory and success moving forward. So I think person B is a little confused as well. So they haven't moved on. They don't want to move backwards. So, well, free will. So person A would have to make a move to convince them, which seems a bit difficult at this point. But there is still a chance, because person B hasn't totally moved on at the moment either. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.